Hi guys, Lauren here, Product Development Manager at Tapestry. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the control panel and look at some of the key actions you can do from here. Note that only users who have been set up as managers can access the control panel, as this is essentially the command section. Let's get exploring. As a manager, you will find the control panel by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner and selecting Control Panel from the drop-down menu. If you don't see it, then that is a clear indication that you are not set up as a manager. In that case, this tutorial won't be suited to you, but you can share it with a manager on your account. As you can see, there are quite a few sections. I'm only going to mention some of the most important ones. However, we recommend that all new managers, especially when you first purchase a Tapestry account or are trialling it for the first time, spend some time looking through each section in the control panel. When you go to the control panel, you will land in the Overview section. This section gives you a quick summary of your account, such as your package size and number of active children, your subscription's expiry date, the account holder, your invoices, both outstanding and settled, and your account ID. This is particularly important if you ever have to contact the product support team with a query about your account. The next section I want to bring your attention to is the Features section. Here you will be able to enable and disable all of the optional features, such as the care diary or reports. Settings includes your setting name, contact details, but also flag sets, assessment frameworks, and specific feature settings. The Manage Children, Manage Relatives, and Manage Staff sections allow you to add, edit, delete, and reactivate children, relatives, and staff, as well as generating PDF journals and media zip files for your children. You can create child groups from Manage Groups, and here you can transfer children between different Tapestry accounts. The User Permissions section is where you can determine what each non-manager user can do. You'll see a section for staff, relatives, and children across the top. You can set blanket default permissions for user types, or set individual users to have different permissions from the default. One other interesting section is the history. Here you can check what's happened on your account, when and by whom. Use the filter bar to filter by specific actions, such as adding, editing, and deleting an observation, logging in, or changing any of the settings. Whilst we have touched on some of the most important sections within the control panel, as mentioned at the beginning, we would really recommend that you spend some time familiarising yourself with the control panel by looking through each section. As per usual, if you have any questions about what we've covered today, you can contact our lovely customer support team at customer.service@eyfs.info.